Good afternoon, I'm Jeff. I'm a sewer tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 22150 Willamette Drive here in West Lynn. We're located at the rear of the property, or basically at the left rear corner of the house. If you're looking at the home from the front, yeah, rear left corner. Anyway, we have 4-inch ABS cleanout as our point of access. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. We don't have water running today. And I'm scoping back toward the house right now. There was an exposed line out here running across the rear of the home. I was seeing if there was a Y connection, and there is. Unfortunately, because of that Y there, I'm not going to be able to scope through the Y. So there's a line coming down inside the basement area vertically next to it. It's a rear entrance, not the garage door, but there's a line that comes down from the ceiling into the ground. This Y connection on the right side of the screen is where that pipe comes out of the rear of the house and ties onto this line. And then as I go down this area here, this is the pipe that parallels the rear of the house, but then it also appears to turn in to the home as well. Well, it looks like they've got possibly two different sewer lines coming out of the house here that hook together. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and reverse direction and start heading away from the home. There's that door right there. That's where that Y connection is at. There's a pipe right inside that door that comes out this foundation wall right here and then ties on. And then the line that I was able to scope more of ends up paralleling the rear of the house down there towards the garage area and then turns in. We're going to go ahead and start scoping out here. Okay, we've got root intrusion here at 13 feet. And then it transitions here to concrete pipe at 13 feet out. And then more roots here. It looks like it's transitioned back to plastic pipe here at, I'll go back to the transition point. Right here about 25 feet into the line, it switches, I apologize, it's right here at 27 feet, it switches back to ABS plastic. Now, there's even roots in the ABS section of the line, and there, without the running water, we may not be able to see anything here after a bit. I'm going to go ahead and locate the camera head, see where we're at. I went and located the camera head here at 86 feet. The line wraps around the left side of the building and heads up to the little street in front of the house. There's a manhole, and it's heading right towards that right now. I did mark where I stopped there, and it looks like, with all the gunk in front of the camera, it's really hard to tell, but from what I can see, it does look like this portion of the line is plastic. Looks like possibly ABS or PVC, but it's kind of difficult to tell. I'm going to see if I can maybe clean the camera lens off somewhere further back here in some water. You can see here, even in the ABS sections, though, there's root penetration even in that pipe. Alright, here's where it transitions to PVC pipe. I believe this is a clean-out tie-in here out in the parking lot area. There's a metal plate out there. I believe that is for. All right, here at 94 feet out, we have reached the main lateral connection. I believe it's up at that manhole off to the into the parking lot area, not the one right in front of the house. I would recommend checking with the city just to make sure. It looks like they've updated their end of the line. That's why there's PVC plastic in there. I would just double check that to make sure that this is their portion of the sewer line. There's something protruding up from the joint here. I don't know if this is rubber gasket material or something sharp that the pipe was laid on top of that penetrated through the joint. That's worth letting the city know about. I'll go mark this with a white X. Well, I put a paint marking here. It's a few feet from the main lateral, or I'm sorry, the manhole cover. Unfortunately, we're having a very, very heavy rainstorm right now, and those paint markings are probably going to wash away. Right here, I'm going to map the line back to the clean out. All right, the transition point here is right at that clean out plate where the property kind of meets the street area, and this concrete pipe looks in decent shape. Unfortunately, without constant running water, I've already dumped a few gallons of water down the pipe. Almost none of it has made it out to the main. As you can see, this is some of that water here. I don't know if it's seeping out anywhere or not, but with the amount of tree root intrusion and everything, I recommend replacing all pipe from the clean out to the city right-of-way at the PVC transition.